Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to show you a website. With the help of that you can make killer presentation in minutes. The website is called Infograpia. As we know, people remember 80% of what they see, only 20% of what they read. Nobody want to read long business report and wordy content. These websites give you perfect templates and visuals for your next presentation. It has more than 1500 plus infographics. Let's check out the website. Go to the website infographic.com. In this website, you can see a lot of templates available. Let's check few of them. The first one is like timeline. You can see how many variations they have within the timeline infographics. The next one, dashboard. They have created very nicely and cleanly manner dashboard section where we can see a lot of information at one place. Then moving at chart. They have a lot of variations in chart like pie chart, graph chart, line chart, different kinds of chart. Then moving ahead, table. Here also they have used a very nice color combination, a very nice and clean tabular format to display the information and demographics. Then moving ahead, funnel. Funnel can be used to write down the marketing strategies or any kind of program or products, how to sell everything. They can use funnel. Mostly digital marketing guys use this funnel chart. Moving ahead, world map. So a lot of variations are available in world map as well. Different color combination you can use as per your product and theme. Then roadmap, very nice and clean roadmap they have shown. Then comparison. I think this is also a very good tool. Comparison. We can compare anything like any two products or services or anything like that. So guys, you can explore this website. It is very good for creating presentation. So if you have any further questions, you can check out the FAQ section. They have almost answered all the queries about the website and about the tool, how to use, how to implement kind of stuff. Okay, and also check out their pricing section. Currently they are having some offer, so they are giving 50% discount, but this is very limited time offer. It might go soon. Okay, so what the package includes: for one user it includes 1500 infographics, 3000 free icons, one time payment. So guys, it's a one time payment. Once you pay, you never have to pay again. They have free lifetime updates, that's good, and fast and free support. Same with another package, it is for 5 users. Rest of the things followed by same, but it is for 5 users. And then if you have a big team, then it is also available for 10 users. Rest follows by the same thing. So guys, hope you like this videos, you like this today's information. And if you like this video, kindly share with your friends and family for more informative videos like this. And also kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.